Hello everyone, and before we start our breast pump tutorial, let's do some yoga exercises. Alone in the forest, we will relax our muscles and clear our minds. Before starting the video, please give it lots of likes so that my video gets more views. Let's begin stretching our arms and muscles. Let's breathe in the fresh forest air. Let's start stretching. Our backs will thank us. Sit on your knees and stretch as far as you can comfortably. Now carefully stretch in the other direction and repeat. Great job, guys. We're doing well. Good mood and relaxation of the whole body. Now let's move on to the breast pump. Take a deep breath with me, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. The quiet of the trees around us helps us slow down, letting go of any tension. This calm is perfect for what comes next. A simple, mindful way to use a manual pump. Find a comfortable spot to sit, maybe on a soft blanket or a smooth patch of grass. Keep your posture relaxed but upright, like you did during yoga. Let your shoulders drop and your jaw soften. Before you begin, clean your hands with a wipe or some water if you have it nearby. Gently prepare your pump, making sure everything is ready and clean. Take your time. There's no rush out here in nature. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the sounds around you. The rustling leaves, bird song, the wind through the trees. Let nature's calm support your own. When you finish, carefully store your milk and clean your pump parts. Take a moment to just sit quietly, feeling grateful for this peaceful time in nature. Thanks for being here on Adells. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and come back whenever you need a calm moment like this.